Hello my darlings, welcome to my realm. This is actually their first makeup tutorial on YouTube for me. Let's see how it goes. I'm going to show you a very simple Halloween makeup that you can do on your own at home, even if you're not a professional artist, makeup artist, because I am not. So enjoy the full tutorial from scratch from the very beginning, and you can ask any questions if you have in the comments below. Alright, it seems that what my face looks like without any makeup and with probably some bad lighting. So I got some spots and some dark circles, so we'll try to get rid of them. So basically the first thing I do, I clean my face with micellar water or any toner that you like, yeah, that works for you. You just need to clean your face and make sure that there is no oil or any makeup or something else. After that, you must use moisturizer. I use L'Oreal, but basically you can use any that you like, but it should have some kind of light texture. After that goes primer. I use Smashbox for the finish, smooth and blur, right, this one. And it was recommended to me by my friend. She's a professional makeup artist, and I'm really happy with this primer because, well, just your makeup lasts longer and it's great for photo shoots. It is transparent, yes, completely transparent, very smooth. Finally, let's get started with foundation. I use a mattifying foundation by L'Oreal, infallible, like this one, and I'm also very happy with this one because the skin looks so natural and it has kind of matte effect, right? You'll see. So I also use a sponge, right? But before you apply any foundation, you need to soak it in water and then just dry it, okay? So it looks like this, yeah, you see, quite a natural color. And I'll try to put some, well, wherever I want. And then after that, I'm going to rub it again slightly like this, yeah, everywhere. Okay, you see, that looks much better, right? But I want to apply concealer, this one. It's called Wet n Wild. Yes, that's the brand, Wet n Wild, like this, right? And so I'll just apply a little bit of a concealer just beneath my eyes, like this. Yeah. So after that, I'm gonna use a creamy contour like this from Maybelline. So as you can see, there is a contour and the highlight in one stick. So after that, I can finally use the finishing powder by NYX. It's like white color, but actually it's transparent. Okay, try to do something better that I did with my eyebrows. I'm rooting for you, and we are moving on. Okay, now I look like I haven't slept for ages, but that was a plan. Yes, trust me, that was a plan. Okay, so after turning into a zombie, the most interesting part is coming. So we are drawing something nice and witchy on our forehead. I'm using this kind of pencil. Yeah, it's automatic pencil. But the bad thing is if you can make it sharp, right? If you can find it, that will be just easier for you to draw. After that, you can draw some lines that look like snakes. They can be curly, any shape you want, some just random stuff. I'm using again this brush that I used for eyebrows, and also you can use some eyeshadows, it's okay, or pencils, but I'm using this body paint. I think, yeah, it is body paint because the color just brighter. Yeah, you can see it. It's just brighter, looks brighter on your face. Alright, so for the lips, as you can see, I use the black one, NYX Liquid lipstick, yeah, the creamy lipstick, but you can use again any. Unfortunately, I don't have time for mastering the shape of my lips because I've got a class and I'm gonna get going. But as for you, please do it. Spend a little bit more time on your lips than I did. I already have some fake lashes, but it's like leftovers, so I'm gonna use some more just to, you know, to open the eyes and to make them look even bigger. Oh my god, I didn't expect them to be that long. Just look at them. Yeah, they're extremely long and I barely can open my eyes. It's like I barely can see anything through these eyelashes. Alright, that's pretty much it. You know, I expected it to be like more, to be honest, but it looks okay. Yes, for Halloween makeup. I think like for kind of casual makeup, if you go to a party, that should be fine. Yes, you don't need to be a professional makeup artist. If you are, it's great, but if you're not, you still can do something that looks nice on Halloween. So please, if you enjoyed the tutorial, give me some likes and subscribe to the channel. I will do more of that stuff. Okay, see you later.